Here is a good news for teenagers, the senior citizens of the country. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment has launched the SAG, the Senior Care Aging Growth Engine Program, and the SAG portal for the welfare of the elderly. The SAGE portal has been launched to support individuals interested in entrepreneurship in the field of providing services for the care of the elderly. The portal has been launched in a virtual way. The objective behind SAG project is that elders are the backbone of our society. In India alone, 12 crores of teenagers are leading a vulnerable and disconnected life. Isolation and loneliness for majority of them is the largest pandemic. There is an urgent need to have an integrated elder care operating system enabling elders to age comfortably. The SAGE portal will be a one-stop access of elderly care products and services by credible startups. The SAGE portal will be opened for applications from 5th June 2021 onwards. In order to help the elderly, the startups will be selected on the basis of new products and services. The startups selected under the scheme will be those which will provide new and innovative products and services to elderly persons in different areas like health, travel, finance, legal advice, residential, healthy food, etc. This is also a good business opportunity for healthy senior citizens as they know the needs of fellow senior citizens very well. The startups will be selected by an independent screening committee of experts. A fund of up to Rs 1 crore as one-time equity will be granted to each selected startup. According to a survey, the elderly population in India is increasing and the share of senior citizens in the total population in the country is expected to increase from 7.5% in 2001 to around 12.5% by 2026 and more than 19.5% by 2050. There is a need of a strong elder care ecosystem in India like global one, especially post-COVID period. And that's what is the objective of this scheme SAGE. EEC, the Empowered Expert Committee report has highlighted that the business opportunities in this space could emerge from social enterprises, non-profits, informal networks, technology startups, fintech, adtech, foodtech, healthtech, wealthtech, legal and financial services, planning solutions, insurance, medical legal, and infrastructure and managed care systems, senior housing, living facilities, care centers. Research and data-driven organizations and incubators of social enterprises are also expected to come forward to be a part of SAGE. Here are some products that have a great business potential in years to come. The link of the SAG portal is given here and also given in the description box. The Teenagers Club will soon release a video about the detailed information regarding how to register in the portal. The central government has also urged the elderly to come forward and take advantage of the services provided by the startups. With this, they will be able to live a respectful life by staying active in the society. Thanks for watching this video from Teenagers Club, a team of 50 plus age. We are sure you liked this video. We release one video every weekend for you to watch. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.